أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم من ذا الذي يقرض الله قرضا حسنا فيضاعفه له أضعافا كثيرا والله يقبض ويبسط وإليه ترجعون. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah Al-Baqarah, ayat number 245. In this ayat, Allah persuades the people, motivates the people to spend money just for Allah. So if we spend money in the cause of Allah, Allah multiplies that so many times which are uncountable. So at the day of judgment, people they will find the reward of that one. Then they will think, oh, and also repent some people that why we have not spent so much money in the world just for Allah. So this is the point which is need now to act. So this way Allah said in this ayat, Man zallazi, man, who is that person? Man zallazi, who is that person? Yukridullah, who give money just for Allah, who lend money just for Allah, the good loan, kardan hasana, good loan, nice loan, the beautiful loan, mean loan that will be given to Allah, that is so much beautiful because it will be multiplied. Allah said fayudaifahu, and Allah multiplies it lahu, for the person, adafan kasira, so many times. Allah multiplies it many times. Wallahu, and Allah yakbidu, and Allah withholds. Withhold mean Allah sometime make the risk decrease. Risk or the income becomes small or going down or decreasing, declining. Wayabsutu, and also increases the wealth or income or grants abundance. So Allah gives more money, increase the risk. Wa ilayhi turja'un, and to him, to Allah, you will be returned. So it means you will have to go to Allah at the day of judgment. So Allah is keeping all of your money, all of your things which you are giving away just for Allah. So at the day of judgment, so those will be multiplied so many times according to the will of Allah, and then you will get the reward of that, and that will be given in the Jannah. So much reward you will see there, and some people they will repent there. Why we have not done this one in the world? If we were just to spend money, spend the things just for Allah, and we were to get this result, this reward. So this way it is important point now to act. So if a person who is spending just for Allah with sincerity, so that will get so much reward. Holy Prophet ﷺ also said that when a person is just even is spending a single date, just then he will get the reward of that. So more than mm, the mountain Uhud. That is so much. And it also sometimes the people they are just to give money to the other brother other Muslim, and because they need it. So then this is called the money which is given to other brother. We call it karz hasna. Karz hasna mean the karz, or we say the loan that is just for loan. Mean it mean if someone is getting £5, £10, so or £100 or £2,000 or something, so that money will be returned as it is. Like as it is mean, like if the person got £2,000, he will return £2,000, so not more than that. So if someone asks for more, so that is interest. So interest is totally haram, and it is like a battle uh, with Allah and Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And also the smallest evil of the interest is that one, the person is just doing sexual evil with his own mom. So that is so much dangerous the interest is. So this way, Allah tells us here, karz hasna mean the loan without interest, without anything. The real loan, like if someone is giving to other person £500, that will be returned £500, not more than that. So even if a person who is giving, helping, assisting other brother just with a loan, like Karzi Hasna. So when he gives to that person, and the promise is done that that will be returned after 2 years. For example, if after 2 years, when the person is just to give back, and that time the giving back time comes, and that time the position of the person is very miserable and very bad, and that time the person who has given money, and that time if that person say, oh, no problem, I forgive you, so that person at the day of judgment will get so much reward uncountable. So this way, the condition of the person, if he is unable to pay, so if that is forgiven by the person who has given the loan, so then that person will get so much rewards also. The other option is that if he extend the time, like time duration, it was, for example, 2 years to pay back, and the person increases the time. Okay, no problem. You can give me back after 3 years, 1 year more, no problem. That is also a rewardable before Allah at the day of judgment. That person who give more time to returnable time more, so that will get more reward also from Allah. So that is also good thing. So the loan is also the same amount must be given, and same amount must be paid, and same amount must be given back to that, to the owner of that. So that is the main thing. We have seen the previous ayat. Allah said about the waqatilu fi sabilillahi, and you have to fight for Allah. When you are fighting for Allah, you need weapons, you need swords, you need different type of the things that are needed, vehicles, weapons, and even the food and the different things which are needed for that. So those things we can't get free, but you have to pay money for that. So this way, if someone is just to spend money for that cause, just people who are going to fight for Allah, and if a person is going to assist them, so with money, and so that they will be able to get the weapons, and also they can fulfill their food need of food, and also they can use them in their battle for Allah, so that person also gets the reward also. So there is, like here, karzi hasna mean, one is karz, one is the loan or money, and that is person is spending just for Allah. So the spending money, spending just for Allah, so that is like for the cause of Allah, just for battle, for Islam. So that is also getting so much reward. The second thing is the karz yasna, like the person, one person is giving money to other person, so then that is called a karz hasna, and the money will be returned as it is. So both are rewardable, and even reward of them increases more than 700 times according to Holy Quran. And this way, when a person is just to give money to other person just for help and as a karz hasana, so that person gets reward equal to 2 times giving sadaqah. So that is very important also, so much reward is there. And even you can see every morning two angels, they come down at the surface of the earth from the sky, and one of them request Allah with this dua that, "O Allah, give more to the person who is generous." And the other angel say that the person who keeps money and not giving that one, the miser person, just take money from that one also, or take the things of that one also. So waste the things of that one also. So the other angel request Allah that the miser person be should go into loss. So this way, don't be miser. Don't take money or take the things within your pocket and lock and key. So you have to spend according to the teachings of Islam, and you have to spend money. So the money is that thing which is, when it is under running, it is beneficial for everyone. But when it is at one place is there, so that is standing still, is no working. So it means that will have no any impact within the society. So this way the money must go into run. So that is very important. So this way money in running will make the things more cheaper also, and also the problems for the people will finish also. So many things, many benefits of that one also. So that is very important point also. So this way we have to spend money just for Allah according to the teachings from our Sharia. So because at the day of judgment, sometimes like people who are hungry, who have a problem, we are not to pay for them, then at the day of judgment Allah will say, "I was hungry, but you have not given me food. I was thirsty, you have not given me water." So what that time the person will say, "Oh, Allah, you are you have no need of food and water and something, all these things." But Allah will say, "My that person was hungry, my that person was thirsty, my that person was needful. You have not fulfilled the need of that one. If you were to fulfill the need of that one, you were to find me there also. And if you were to give food to that one, you were to find me there also with him." So it means when we are to helping other people who are genuine need, so if we are helping them with their need, so it means in other words we are finding Allah with us, or we are finding Allah's support directly with us. Even when we need support, the Allah's support is ready to help us every time. Because when we are to give food to the needy person who is hungry, when give and fulfill the requirement of the people, so we have to look and find the people which are really genuine need, and we have to fulfill their needs. So we will find Allah's support, Allah's help with us every time. So this way, if we help the people, if we give them requirement, then Allah will give us so much rewards which are uncountable. This way, even it is our moral duty. We have to look at our community, our society, and don't have a difference of anything, and don't make a mind of hatred mind or bad mind about any person, even throughout the family. If someone is needful, but the relationship is no good with us, but we have to give the money or fulfill the requirement also that person. So this is very important because that money or that help will produce the love in that person, produce the sympathy in that person, and then that person, if he has hatred, he or she has hatred in mind, so that will be converted into love, so that will be changed. So this way we have to follow the teachings of Islam to spread our Islam, to spread peace and love and nice and sincerity among in our society. So that is very important to do that one. This way Allah said, Man zallazi yukridullaha, who is the person who can give the loan to Allah, Qardan Hasana, the beautiful loan, فَيُضَاعِفَهُ lahu, so Allah increases, multiplies it. So for that person also, often kasira, many times Allah increases that the loan, and at the day of judgment the person will find there. Wallahu yakbidu, and Allah decreases the risk of the people, or Allah withholds that one. Wa yabsutu, and Allah grants abundance. It's too much risk gives to the people also. Wa ilahi turjaun, and you are to return towards Allah. So to him you will be returned. So you understand in your mind that you have to return to Allah, so that if you will do something now here, you will get the reward of that one there. So this way, if you spend something just for Allah, you will get the reward, a multiplier reward of that one at the day of judgment, based on your sincerity, your love with Allah, and according to the real place where it is genuine need. If you are doing that, so it means you will get the reward at the day of judgment. And some people at the day of judgment, they will repent because they have not done it, but they will say, oh, if we are just to give, Allah gave us chance to go back in the world, and we will do more better and spend for Allah, and we will get more reward. But that time will not be given that time. So because this is world just now, so we have to act now. And Allah, we request Allah, Allah give us tawfiq to do it, so that at the day of judgment we can get the better reward, inshallah. Ameen.